Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm going to show you how to make PDF files in Word. PDF files are very practical because they're often a smaller file size than having several pictures and text together in a normal Word document, and they can also help protect your information because it's harder to modify a PDF file. It's now very easy to directly make one of these files from Word. To create PDF files in Word, you'll need something called a PDF printer. A simple Google search for the term PDF printer will give you tons of results. This is basically a simple program you can download which adds a functionality to Microsoft Word where you can pretend to print files and have them come out as a PDF. Now don't get fooled into paying for one of these programs because there are plenty of absolutely free ones. For example, you can try PDF Creator at www.pdfforge.org, or another free PDF printer can be found at www.primopdf.com. Now once you've downloaded and installed the program, simply open your document in Microsoft Word and then act as if you wanted to print it out. Now in the print menu, you'll notice that there's an added printer to your system, for example PDF Creator, and if you simply print the page, instead of actually printing the physical copy, your computer will make a PDF copy of the file for you.